book which was written by rajuailapur1983. Okay, this poem is about our kittens. So here in this poem, the author rajuailapur1983 he wanted to say about his kitten. Now first I read. Later I'll let you do action along with me. Okay?
Yes,
So just you repeat after me. All kittens have the softest fur
all kittens have the softest fur
and the sweetest little paw.
the sweetest little paw,
And such little velvet paws with such turning little claws and blue eyes just like the sky.
just like the sky.
Must they turn green
Must they not be
by
and night
towards striped
to our strength,
like tigers,
like tigers,
clear
clear
as black as that can be,
that can be,
and the run so fast and lay
and the run so fast
with their trails
with their
and are so gay.
and so gay.
Is it not a pity that
Is it not a pity that
each must
each must
go into a cat?
grow into a cat?
Before I let you do action for this poem, I want to tell you some words. Okay, whose textbook is? Here, see, at end of any sentence, we can say rhyming words. For example, here for, for, for. If we read all of this together, for, for. So these are rhyming words. They sound same. For, pause, clause, sky, by, tree, bee, lay, gay, cat, that. So that cat. So these are called rhyming words. While we write a poem or the time we read a poem, we have to see whether there are any rhyming word. Understood? If there is a rhyming word, we can read them in an effective way. So now I want you all do action like me. Are you all ready to do action like me?
Yes.
Then stand up. Yeah, can you children? For. For. There is a word given for. Do you know what is the meaning of for? For means the skin of a kitten. For example, if you have a kitten with you, if you touch on its body, you feel smooth. Its body that feels very smooth. So that the skin or the hair over the kitten's body is called fur. And purr. Purr means what? The sound is made by the kitten is called purr. Purr. And paws. You know what? We all have foot. But the foot of a cat is called paws. Don't we have nails on our hand? We have nails. So claws are nothing but nails of a cat. Claws of animals like lion, tiger, dog, monkey, cat, kitten. They have claws. They can easily catch any other animal to eat them up. Understand? With the help of their claws, they catch all the other animals. So now we are going to tell you about this. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
See, all kittens have the softest fur. Don't you know kittens have the softest fur? Yes. Every kitten has the softest fur. So here the same, you all just take the saying that all kittens have the softest fur and the sweetest little paw. And such little velvet paws children are so gay.
With their heads hung so gay.
Is it not a pity that
Is it not a pity that
each must
each must
go into a cat?
go into the cat?
Did you like this action?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what I said about the kitchen?
Yes, sir.
Can we do it once again?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Now I sing the poem very fast and do the action also very fast. All Christians have the softest form
All children are successful.
and the sweetest little pearl.
And the city follow.
With answers little velvet paws.
And such little bird calls.
With such
With such
plodding little claws.
flying little clouds.
And blue eyes just like the sky.
And blue eyes just like the sky.
See, you have to exclaim here, you have to feel surprised. Why? Because their eyes they seem to be blue color like the sky. And blue eyes just like the sky.
And blue eyes just like the sky.
Mustard and green by and by.
Mustard and green boy and boy.
Two are striped like tigers.
Two are striped like tigers.
Three are
Three are
as black can be.
as black can be.
And they run so fast and lay
And they run so fast and lay.
with their tails
With their
and
tails
also gay.
and also
Gay is nothing but being happy. That situation is called gay. Okay. They run so fast and lay
they run so fast and lay.
with their tails
With
their tails and
tails
also gay.
and also gay.
Is it not a pity that
Is it not a pity that
each must
each
go into a cat?
go into the cat?
Now tell me, did you like this story? Did you like this poem?
Yes, sir.
I don't think this poem is it said very well about the kitchen. I like this rhyme, which was given by Wallenstein. Did you understand this poem?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Stop.